Strong English skills open doors in academics, careers, and the world beyond. In today's global world, the ability to communicate clearly and confidently sets your child apart. From cracking interviews to presenting ideas and leading teams, it all begins with language. And that foundation starts in school. The earlier we identify strengths and gaps, the stronger the future becomes. That's why we're offering the AI-powered Bharat English Test, a comprehensive assessment of your child's real-world English skills in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Mapped to global benchmarks like IELTS, TOEIC, CEFR, and PTE, this ARS 1500 assessment is absolutely free for a limited duration. Take the test and receive a personalized skill summary, improvement plan, and an official certificate at no cost. Our school is committed to improving your child's current level in the Bharat English Test to the next level, alongside academic excellence. Walk in today and give your child the opportunity to thrive.